The wild seagull. He runs around Krenzler Field. He's done the team. He's been found here for the past 3 days, living under the bleachers. We feed him Nutrigrain for nutrition.
Please, tell me, Miss Jamie Abana, how has this seagull adventure affected your life?
If he was stuck under the bleachers,
He has a broken wing, and so I just want to help him. I want to take him to a wildlife shelter. Wait, this is the true heroine of the situation.
Oh yes, Marley, please.
He's driving.
Marley is
Tell us
the
all
saver.
about the situation.
I can't do this with the camera on.
I'm just a bystander.
How do you feel about the issue right now?
You know, it's kind of terrifying. And look at it. Just look at it go for a second. Look at it.
It's headed for the 6-yard line.
He's headed for the goal. Oh my gosh! I hope he scores.
He's not eaten for days.
He's a frisky little fella.
It's as if he's traveling across the safari.
Howie fed him some cookies.
Who did?
He's a nomad. Oh my god!
a cookie?
His butt is sideways.
That's called his wing that's broken. It's a wobbly one.
What kind of cookie did you feed the creature?
Chocolate chip.
He didn't eat it.
Uh-oh. I had a missed call. Can you see who it is? Where did he go? Does he know where the field is?
Is that his car over there? The white car?
Yeah, it's a white Tahoe. That's probably it.
I see the vehicle saving him in the distance.
The saving
We
vehicle.
gotta get the thing first.
You can see the white SUV.
Dude. Do it.
5 more minutes before we capture this creature.
We have a countdown.
We're gonna all have to run at him.
And it is officially game
Oh my
time,
gosh,
by the way.
it might peck out our eyes.
Did you not get him? Well, I'm waiting for. Hey, what's up? Okay, did you pull in to the parking lot?
I can't wait to videotape the action.
Okay, who's helping?
The vehicle assisting this program has just arrived. Oh, Rizzo has come to the scene to help capture this creature. How do you feel about this occurrence?
Look at his nice car. Hey, Val, look at Ross's nice car. You have to document the car taking.
I know I've been documenting the SUV has just pulled up for arrival.
Okay, wait. Somebody needs to have the Nutrigrain bar, so once we get it in the box, we can just throw half of it in. I can crumble.
Please, let me see this food you're feeding the creature.
Nutrigrain. Breakfast of champions and seagulls.
This is awesome. And seagulls. I want it.
There he is, guys. There he is.
I kind of want to watch it though.
Okay.
To the rescue.
Where's the bird? Oh my god, there he is.
Yeah.
We need to start circling. Did he score yet? Almost.
With his gloves. He came prepared.
the bait. Jamie's eating the bait. Hey, we're not feeding him the whole thing.
Yeah, we don't want to feed the whole thing.
Everyone, take your positions. We have Natalie in the sidelines over there. Then we got Bev in the orange. Rizzo in the blue.
He physically.
Howard over there. This bird is trying to take takeoff, but its wing will not have the capabilities. Ross is approaching the scene, surveying our seagull.
No biggie. I'm just
Look how many people are around me. It's fucking stuck. It's okay. Please, I'm sorry. Oh my god, there's a hole in the top of the box. Why didn't we not see that? It's okay, we can't get out. Why didn't we? We're fine. Oh my god, the sound of me, baby. Is there enough hole?
It's okay. We're gonna help it. We're gonna help you, baby.
I'm sorry. Yeah, let's put like.
That was good. I'm so proud of you. Give me a hug.
Thank you.
We have just bonded over this.
The seagull. I want to touch the seagull.
You're the one chasing it at the box. Get it, get it.
You can hear him in there.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know if I captured on video. I was freaking out a little bit, not gonna lie.
It's a little
Oh, and the box is rumbling.
out of a box.
Seriously, I'm like
Oh,
crying.
it was wicked.
The sound it was making was just
I don't
so
think he liked you, Ross.
Jamie is bawling of
This isn't funny.
I'm like crying.
It's shitted everywhere.
We have officially saved the seagull of Krenzler Field.
And we have some emotional wrecks over there about this scene.